This isn't tech, it's fashion. When Tony Stark walks, the city notices. Gotham never sleeps, and neither do legends. When elegance meets darkness, Batman walks. He doesn't just walk, he dares the world to stop him. He used to swing, now he walks. And trust me, you'll still stare. Wakanda has always been ahead. Now see them walk into the future. This isn't Marvel. This isn't DC. This is the new face of power. AI just redefined superheroes.
Alright guys, we are going to create the trending superhero fashion, right? So let's head on straight to it. So we are creating with Google Flow. So for you to register on Google Flow, you should have registered your Gmail with Google AI. So you get started with Google Flow from this link. I'm going to put this link in the description. So you click on Launch Flow. Some countries are being restricted to use VO3 for Google Flow. So the way you go about that is to use a VPN, and I mostly advise people to set it to any country in Africa: Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, and co. So we are still allowed to try it for 30 days. So you can see this is the pro. I'm getting a pro version here for 30 days. You're going to see that shortly. It's opened here. So you get 1,000 credits. I've used 40 credits inside. You get 1,000 credits once you subscribe for free. You'll be able to use it professionally. So once you come to this link here, this is what happens when you sign in. So let's get straight to it. I'm going to click on New Project. So now you're ready. So there are different models in the VO3. You have the VO2 Fast, which we are going to be using for the comic fashion, right? So you have the VO3 text to video, and this has audio. This can make characters speak. This is one of the most advanced features created ever. So this is the peak of VO3. Then this is VO2 quality, a bit better than fast. Then this is VO3 better audio, also quality. So we are going to VO2 fast for the purpose of this video. So now it says output per prompt. We just need one. So if you notice, you're saying 10 credits here. You're going to be using 10 credits from each, that shows you have a lot of credits to use if you keep to this particular model. So as usual, you head on straight to chatgpt. I'm going to show you how I got all the prompts, and you're going to do the same thing. So we are going to use a particular prompt to get everything started in ChatGPT. So I'm going to modify this. Give me prompt for. So now, looking at the characteristics, I've asked for prompts, which is what I want. Then the platform is VO3, is right here. But now I'm specifying that I want each of these characters: Batman, Black Panther, Wolverine, Iron Man, Spider-Man, all walking on the streets, which is action, and then accompanied by a woman wearing matching suits. So I'm going to send it. So I'm going to copy this right here for you guys. And I'm going to attach this prompt. I'm going to attach it in the description. So let's look at it. Original superhero, non-franchise character. Hyper realistic video of original male superhero, sleek black gold nanotech walking confidently down the modern street. She has a powerful female confidant, matching gold, suit conference elegance, cinematic lens flare. So, okay, I can see Batman here. I can see Black Panther. I can see Wolverine. I can see Iron Man, Spider-Man. So, I'm thinking he created an extra superhero in a luxury style for us. So, let's go ahead. This is going to be interesting. So, let me know if you want matching voiceover use. Yes, we do want matching voiceover hooks, Instagram captions. So, depending on what platform you are going to post, if it's YouTube, you say YouTube captions, custom thumbnails for each. So, I'm just going to copy this because my destination is YouTube. Okay, I could also post that on Instagram. So, voiceover hooks, YouTube, description and captions. So, trust me, an AI is going to get better than you just using offhand, trying to get tags offhead or offhand. So an AI is going to get your better chance for you. Notwithstanding, we have advanced tools that could even go better than this. But let's get straight to the video and start putting our prompts. So it's already creating the YouTube package for us. We're going to check that later. So let's start with this unnamed superhero. Let's copy this prompt. Say in the comment section if you know the superhero is trying to mimic here. So we are going to flow. I'm going to paste it and I'm going to send. So I think we can also batch create here. While this one is creating, we can go for the second prompt. This is the Batman. Wearing a made black brother. Beside him, Catwoman inspired partner tailored. Okay, good. So I'm going to paste the next one. So this is the second one. So once every generation is done, you hit the download button here. Original size 120. If you want it upscaled to 1080p, it's going to take much time, but let me stick with 720p. So once you do that, it's going to be downloaded to your downloads folder. So let's have a look. This is a preview of the whole prompts. Majestic. The Batman with the rain falling. The Black Panther is matching. The Wolverine, yes, she does look rugged. I love that. The Iron Man, cool. And Spider-Man, maybe not so cool. The female companion is looking corporate. So let's head on stage. You can regenerate. You can always regenerate. But I want you to know something in VO3. You have 8 seconds each for each generation. So now all the scenes are created. Let's check what happens. Original superhero black and gold voiceover hook. This is in Marvel. This is in DC. This is the new face of power. AI just rejoined. So this is the hook of the voiceover. So this is what you can place at the beginning, and then I would expect you copy this particular hook and go to your 11 labs and then choose a voice and paste it. Choose a voice and paste it so it generates for you. So basically I'm going to sort that out. I want us to piece all the audio together, which we are going to do in CapCut. So let's head on to CapCut. Let's head on to CapCut. I think I have a former project there, so I'm going to click on, depending on your ratio, you're going to click on 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, 1:1 for Instagram. So I'm going with 16:9. I'm going to click on Create Project. So I'm going to import all the downloaded files from the download folder 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open. So I'm going to drag them into the timeline, and then we have the arrangement starting from the one I don't like most anyway. So this is how you put it together. You put your background sounds, you put your voiceovers in CapCuts, and then you bring out your video. So Batman will go to Batman. The voiceover for Black Panther, this Wakanda will go to. So you see, it has their respective voiceover hooks. The description. So at the end of it, you are going to ask for add. You are going to tell it to add viral hashtags. The YouTube video. Okay, so you can see that. So you have AI tech appeal and short virality, a mix of niche, trending, and broad hashtags just to boost the algorithm. So this is useful in case someone wants to break down the videos. That's when this is useful. So I'm just going to say summarize tags to 1. Summarize to 1. Good, good, good. And there we go. It's already formatted for YouTube type. It's just for you to hit on copy and then post your video. Once you put it together, here you add your soundtracks from the background, and then you're good to go. So like, share this video, subscribe to get more. I'm going to be teaching a lot of cool stuff, especially on VO3, Dreamina, and other advanced AI tools. Okay, hold on. This video is not over yet, but still subscribe. So how you're going to get over the challenges on 11 Labs is to use a VPN. So this is my WinScribe. I've switched it on. I'm going to refresh the text-to-speech page on 11 Labs. You can see I still have over 4,000 credits remaining. And it's saying something fishy detected because I keep on using 11 Labs for free. So let's look at that. After refreshing, generate speech. Yes, that's it playing already, though you can't hear it. Then you come down, you download. So ensure you need to rename your audio as each superhero. So this particular guy is the unknown guy. So I could probably name it as unknown. So anytime you run into issues with your 11 labs, this is how to get to bypass. This is how to bypass on 11 labs. So you're just going to go ahead, paste the other superheroes. This is Iron Man. You can see it's working fine right now. This is Iron Man. Generate speech. Once they start playing, that means it's going. Then you download and then rename it as Iron Man. So guys, remember to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.